Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Vid Proposals. Vid Proposals is an app produced by Niel Napier. So what is this Vid Proposals all about? It's a suite that allows you to create professional video proposals which include legal contracts for your clients to sign and seal the deal. Alright guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a full demo of how this app truly works. But don't forget to click the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button. So guys, let me show you guys quickly because as usual, I have added my awesome bonuses also. All you need to do is to click on that link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page right here. So this is what you see. This is actually my bonus page and you have 5 of these awesome bonuses. The first one is a 10K case study. The second one is a hack that teaches you how you can explode your YouTube channel. The third one is also a hack that teaches you how you can build a buyer's list. The fourth one is a list building on steroids. And then of course the fifth one, you have access to all vendor bonuses, guys. So with this app today that Neil has put together, according to him, he says it's a new futuristic technology that helps you skyrocket sales and profits without any skills or experiences required. So how will you be able to skyrocket sales if you don't have lists, if you don't have people to sell to, if you don't have the traffic? So I have made it simple and easy for you. That's why I added all these hacks, all these bonuses, so that guys, you will learn how you can explode your channel and with the 10K case study, and also of course with this third bonus that I've added, you'll be able to learn how you can also build your buyers list and then put that list on steroids, meaning that you are accelerating the list and also making sales and commission at the same time. All right guys, let me take you quickly to the sales page. Let's see what Neil has said today. So it says that you win a free copy of Vid Proposals and more, and then join them to see how you can find and close clients for any service in any niche. So these are the features of this product that he has put together. So you get to find unlimited untapped leads, learn how to convert them into a client with ready to go proposals, and how to do all of this from the comfort of your home. Plus you also stand a chance to win 3 free copies of Vid Proposals. Guys, this is what he has said today, and the list below are the comments from people that actually have used this app. But for the sake of time, we're not going to read all of that. Let me quickly take you guys to the members area so that you can see. But let's take a listen to his intro about this app.
Hey there, what's up? This is Niel Napier, and you're on this page because either myself or someone I know or you know wanted to invite you to a special session that we're doing on the 6th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern. Now, in this session, you're going to see some amazing things, but most importantly, you're going to see my 3-step process that I use to find leads, close them using a very, very cool personalized video proposal, and get paid. I want to show you all of this. There is a short demo that you can see once you sign up on this page, but when you sign up, you will also get an invite to a webinar session that we're running on the 6th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern. I want you to show up for that, because when you do, I will show you everything that Vid Proposals can do. I'll give you an amazing exclusive price that you're not going to find anywhere else, not even in the emails that you will get from other people from here on out. So make sure that you sign up, make sure you're on the webinar, and look forward to showing you some cool things on the 6th of July. This is Niel Napier. You have a good day, and I'll talk to you.
All right guys, you have heard his intro. So once you sign in, this is actually the members area. This is how it looks like. But before we actually talk about this, let's take a listen to this video is actually about
Again,
members.
watch everything, all the videos, and look, don't waste time. Just start creating those. Hey guys, thank you very much for signing up for Vid Proposals. A few things, we use this application ourselves, so the concept really works. Potential clients love receiving personalized videos along with their proposals, so it's way more effective than any email marketing or any other communication method. We built this technology ourselves before it's opened up for customers. So for example, the video you're watching is not exactly a proposal, but we recorded this using Vid Proposal recording tech. And the page we're on is a Vid Proposal landing page. Among other features, you're going to get all of these features as well, so you can start using them. Anyway, coming back to the application, I'm going to keep it very short because my goal is for you to start using the application instantly and start winning some clients. And finally, here's what I want you to do. A, watch all the videos, follow the instructions properly in the videos. All the videos below, they're very short, to the point, so watch them all. So follow the instructions in all of those videos, watch them sequentially. Once you watch them all, here's what I want you to do. Send out 10 to 20 video proposals instantly today. It's probably going to take you less than 1 hour to do all of them, and I'm pretty sure if you do that, you will start getting responses pretty much instantly, maybe within 24 hours. That's how much confidence I've got in the application.
Right, guys, that is about the intro. Let's see what he has to say with regards to how you can record a personalized video for your proposal. I'm going to play so that we can take a listen.
Business with you, and then there's business B that's recorded one video message for you. They're in the video, they're talking to you, they're addressing your name, and they're talking about your business and your website, and they send it to you. It's very likely, almost likely, you will choose business B just because they went through the hassle of recording that personalized video. With Vid Proposal, we made that super simple, so we highly recommend you record one quick video for each one of your potential leads or your potential clients. It's going to bring you a lot more business than just sending out pre-recorded videos. They work as well, but this is going to bring you a lot more business. So I recommend you, that's why I'm showing you this as a first video. So here's what I would do. Here's an example. Imagine I'm trying to do business with plumbers, and I'm trying to sell them digital marketing as a service. So the first thing I would do is I would look for 100 leads close to my area, and I'm going to show you in another video down the line how you could generate thousands of leads using our application. That's the easy part, but this is a more important part, so that's why I'm showing you this first. So for example, you get 100 leads, and then you find a plumber called, well, this one is called Monument Plumbing Services Limited. We'll just use this as an example. So what I'll do is I will just look on their website. Okay, that's a random website. So let's go on to their website. So straight away, I know their website is not very good looking, and they could really benefit from digital marketing. So I will quickly record a video for them. Now, I'm going to show you how you could use the extension to do the recording. This is the extension that comes with Vid Proposal. Really powerful. You could use it to record your screen and yourself within the video, and then you can make tweaks to it and add it to your proposal. Just below the video, there's going to be a link that basically explains how to install the extension and get it to work for you. But I've got it installed already, so I'm going to start using it. So you'll just click on this icon over there, Vid Proposal extension icon. Click on that, and from there, you'll basically decide whether you want to just record the screen or you want to do a camera plus screen, I would recommend you do camera plus screen. It's more personal. So let me just show you how that's going to work. So you will just click on this. See, you can see me over here. Apologies, it's very late in the night. I've been working since morning, so I don't look very good. But anyway, you get the point. So let me start recording. This is now recording the screen and myself. So for example, imagine I'm talking to Kevin. Hey Kevin, how you doing? I was just looking at your website. I run an agency called Expo Marketing, and we specialize in digital marketing for plumbers, and I thought I'd reach out, and we have a great deal for you. I think we can do a lot of good things for you. Please look underneath. We have all the terms and conditions. If you'd like to talk or if you have any questions, please let me know.
So guys, pretty much this is a little bit of how this what is it called, the Vid Proposal app works. So for the sake of time, we are not going to listen to all he has to say, because it's like a 12-minute video. All right, let me take you guys to this members area. So this is how the members area looks like. And of course, you can start from the scratch, or you can duplicate the content, whatever that they have already added, depending on what you get once you sign in, and then you can start recording. Then you get this. These are options for total proposals. You can see the number, the one signed, and then the total value. And then you can upload your video. You can start from scratch, and this is the dashboard, and then the templates. So pretty much that's all I have to show you guys today. Don't forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. If you know someone that this app will be of help to, guys, don't forget to share. Also leave a comment, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. You stay safe. Bye.